2019, November 29th. This is race 5 of the RoadX series, and we have P1 Jack Ebenda 41 from Throttle Racing, and our team P2 Fast Lane Motorsports. We have Robson as our driver here, you can see him, and then P3 Bamidele from African Elephant, P4 Rage Motorsports Muyiwa, P5 Dark Matter Racing Ara. He just got a new sponsorship deal and a new engine change, a car change. And then we have P6, Daniel from Rage Motorsports, and Inferno Racing has P7, Outdoors P8. And these are the cars we have for today. 3, 2, 1, and off we go. And you can see Jack accelerating, and then that's it. African Elephant, Dark Matter, Rage, let's go! Woo! And let's see who comes first. I reckon. Okay, it's Jack, it's Robson, it's African Elephant going on for lap 2. We have 18 laps left to go. Jack is still in first place. There's Robson, and that is Bamidele, and we can see as African Elephant. He went on the grass, and he's still third. It's fourth. Daniel, really great. Yeah, that you can see both of them going for it. Let's see as he takes the overtake. And yes, Fast Lane takes the lead.
You can't take him.
Nah, he got the outside line, and he's got the outside line, and with the inside line, Throttlehead keeps the lead. Jack at it again. The gap has increased a little more, but and here we have another battle for fourth between Rage, Inferno, and Rage. What is that? And Inferno. Here, that Martha, he spun off, so now he's last. But we're still in this race. Lap 6, 14 laps to go. Let's keep it up. You can see as Robs is pushing forward. Here we have third place, coming from African Elephants, the winner of last year's championship, Robs, and Jack in turn 10 again. This is lap 7, and Robs is going, keeps on going, pushing. I think we have a battle for 6th, and Robs has overtaken Jack. I didn't even see what happened. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's about to pass both Rage and Dark Matter. Something must have happened somewhere on the other side. But here we see Fast Lane coming out in first place. And he's gonna overtake Dark Matter. Yeah, Fast Lane coming out of turn 10 in first place, and Jack right behind him, increasing the stints, man. Oh no, Fast Lane has spun off, and he's been passed by Jack. That must be demoralizing, but we've got 11 laps, and let's see what we can do if we can close up this lead. Damn, that's a huge lead. Let's go. Go! Dark Matter and Rage. Who's going? Battle for 5th. They're going on the lap. Robs has closed up the gap. But be enough? Can he do it in this last lap? How will the race end? Who will clinch the first position?
Yeah, if them say that you have for that thing, first you don't pass on. You don't pass on. Even though that small.
The final lap.
I like this part. This is the part I like.
From the final lap. Go, go, go! Go! We're sticking one lap! Yes! Yes! We won the race! Yes! It wasn't, he didn't know, but
Oh man!
that was so up! And also a miracle! Because Fast Lane with the win! Damn! And he stopped just before the finish line, and Fast Lane got the lead and passed him. Fast Lane in first position, Jack second. Fast Lane first.
Oh, sorry. No,
Damn.
finished. Finished.
So he's still finished. That was what happened to us in the last race, though. We would have passed him. Well, that was what happened to us in the last race, and we would have won him there. So, woo!
Leave that. Don't let us give up.
Fast Lane! There's 3 of them already, you know. Huh? It's over. I can go. I should be able to meet my driver. Against all odds, reformed, Fast Lane, finished first. Probably that's the news when he heard that. When he heard he won, and yo! Wow! That is Fast Lane! Yes! And against all odds, Fast Lane's first, Jack second, and the champion of last year comes in third place.
This is exactly what happened to me in the last race. It be like you. See where my fuel finish.
Just there. He was even pushing it.
For turn 8, it started to pop. I start to just small. I said, just cross the finish line. But that's what I was leading now. In the last race, when my fuel finished. No!
Hold on. You see, you know you're a showboat. I thought you were showboating so that come close so I fire and go.
No! I was coming down to push the car!
Then when you opened, you were like this. Okay, so CHR2.
I don't know why. Every time.
Okay, let's start again. CHR2 DNS did not start. Outdoor Racing DNS. 7th Rage 2. Where's it now? 7th position Rage 2. 6th position Dark Matter Racing.
Dark Matter!
5th position Rage 1. 4th position Inferno!
Which is best ever finish of the season. Both seasons.
Third position goes to African Elephant Racing. Second position goes to Throttle Racing. And the winner for the day, Fast Lane Racing.
That one, let me take it. What do you want? I bet is your camera waterproof?
Yes.
Is your camera waterproof?
Yes.
Is it champagne proof?
All of them.
Is your camera champagne proof?
Hey, wait.
Wait.
Let me snap you first before you do it. Please. Jack.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you can now fight your own.
What you got? What you got? That's an ambush.
Sunglasses.
Where are you going? Oh shit! And that's the race winner for today.
Picture cheers. Laps, it starts cutting. So, but it will not cut to the extent where we I started managing from over there. I started managing the car. You cut
Exactly how it happened to me with three.
Then I'll now push it again. You go
After every hard corner,
I got to there, it stopped. I don't get the pump started again. This place here is up finally. It will start again. All I needed just 100 meters to get this.
I know how I
100 meters. And now put it nowhere. Like what's wrong with this man? I was pushing the car. I wanted to come out and push.
If you had done it, would have been political there. Let's come out and push.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's not behind you. I thought it's the end of it. That's 20.
Hey, imagine you, coming to party and me, I'm not talking to you, just you even be saying fast lane. When you pass. I said that might be dramatic. Why you not crying, man?
This is the man, yo. He was out of the country for treatment for a long time. Serious rehabilitation, and he's here and he's on the podium. He was a champion last year. Champion. And you know, it's crazy.
Kind words.
I tried to chase him a lot.
Kind words, my friend.
Yeah, man.
Champion
So
last
proud
year,
of you.
champion
Thank you very
forever.
much.
He's now our cyborg
Racer, man. You should get that. You should get that.
We have to
Get that.
cyborg racer.
Came
Can
third.
you see this? Can you see this?
And see this? And he's racing.
Don't believe in what they're saying. It's within yourself. Keep on pushing despite the situation.
Never stop.
You'll be good.
If I had
Thank you very much.
Is your son?
Shit, thank you very much.
What's your name?
What's your name? Tosan.
Tose.
Tose. Oh, nice.
Well done, Fastlane. Congrats.
Whatever you're doing, never give up. Always read your books, study hard, always do your best. Never give up.
Thank you, sir.
If I'd given up at 15, I would have won.